Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Bip 5 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First thing we need to do is to open the Zep application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. Once you open the app, you should see the home page. Now tap on the profile icon and here you should see your AMAZFIT Bip 5 on the list of my devices. Tap on it to select it. Now scroll through this page and find the Unpair button. Tap on it, tap on Unpair, tap on Unpair. Once you see this message, tap on Got it, close the app, open the settings on your iPhone, tap on Bluetooth, and here you have AMAZFIT Bip 5 rather, and you probably will have two of them. Tap on the info icon next to one, tap on forget this device, tap on forget device, then tap on the info icon next to second one, and tap on forget device, and tap on forget device. And once you're done, you can close the settings, and that's how you unpair this watch from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.